Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the harmonic scenario for intraday perspective of ES for either Globex opening today, the 22nd, or for Monday, the 23rd. Okay, so here's where we're at. ES has a small symmetrical movement like an ABCD target of 2105.75. Now, this area up here, let's see if I can look at that gray. 2097.50, haven't quite gotten there, but if that's pretty much the extreme for a harmonic rotation, if I were to use the 2010-25 high, the 1998 low, then we're looking at a potential deep crab, right? And so what that means is we need to pull back to form the next leg because we're at the extreme for the midpoint for the triangle, okay? So I would anticipate a potential breach of 2094.50 to the 2097.50, or it could even come up here and test this little symmetrical movement ABCD at the 2105.75 or the double top at 2110.25. What we're looking for initially is price to break out of this little gray zone, okay? So either above 2097.50 or below 2086.25. Ideally, on harmonically speaking, we'd like to see it pull back to 2057.75. Failure to do that is just, implying that we're still grinding to the upside. Now, here's the thing. If price is able to hold above this 2110.25, then it's going to invalidate this emerging bat and focus more on completing the ABCD at 2247.75. Okay? And there are points of interest along the way, either the gray zones, the noted sword lines. Those are going to be areas to take some profits or to scale your position, right? Okay, so harmonically speaking, we're looking for either a hold above or below that 2110.25 for the upside ABCD target, or if we can hold back below 2057.75, the inclination is the intraday perspective has shifted to the downside. It doesn't mean that it's going to just, the bottom's going to fall out. It just means that these lower targets are calling price to come to them, okay? It's really not until price can hold below this 2049.75 neutral zone, right? And that moves price away from this area of acceptance. 2087.50 it's really a triple POC up here. In other words, there's three different places that have a lot of action between buyers and sellers that are keeping price in this region. And it's, we did try the beginning of or mid part of November, we did try to move away from that area of value, but you got to hold below that neutral zone, right? 2049.75 is where I have it. And it could be even lower, but initially I want to see, can it hold below there? And then we're going to see if it can hold below the next area, or what I call the neutral zone at 2014.75. If it can't do that, then we're still either going to be pulled back up to this 2080 area, or we could try to fill in some imbalance between 2049.75 and 2014.75.